Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset automatic transmission Mercedes W212 Easy Guide. Begin by warming the car and setting the selector to park, then turn the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine. Next, locate the transmission control module reset point or use your scan tool to access adaptation settings, follow prompts, cycle the ignition as directed, and confirm the transmission returns to normal shift behavior before road testing gently. Keep this warm and friendly. Gather an OBD2 scanner that supports adaptation, basic hand tools, and a stable jack or ramps if needed. Always work on a cool surface, wear gloves and eye protection, and make sure the parking brake is engaged so you stay safe. If you plan to disconnect the battery, know it can clear codes and reset other settings too, so note radio and comfort presets before you proceed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more practical car guides from me. On another note, I always keep a reliable water bottle in the garage. The Oala bottle is great for preventing spills and staying hydrated during long repairs, and it's compact for the toolbox. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process in a relaxed tone so it's easy to follow. Use your scanner to enter adaptation mode, choose the transmission reset routine, and follow each on-screen instruction precisely, including any gear or throttle cycling. Once complete, clear stored fault codes, restart the vehicle, and do a gentle road test to verify shifts are smooth and self-learning proceeds normally without warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.